Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Already pretty cold out there. We're in the 30s in Grants Pass and Medford, down to the 20s for you folks in Klamath Falls and Chiloquin. The fog has settled in. You can't really see much of the Caveman Bridge in Grants Pass. Our next storm system, though, off to the west. This will bring some rain and mountain snow to parts of the region as we head through the day on your Sunday. But in the meantime, tomorrow we'll start off with some low clouds and fog in some of our west side valleys. That'll burn off through the morning, and then otherwise a very sun-filled day for southern Oregon and northern California. Up to 51 in Klamath Falls, some lower to middle 50s expected in our west side valleys, and we'll top out around 61 degrees tomorrow in Brookings. Fairly light winds. On Sunday, clouds increase, winds pick up. It will be a little bit cooler for most spots, and best odds of rain will be at the coast, but then those chances go down quite a bit on the east side and in northern California as this front falls apart. Take a look at Crater Lake. We will see some snow on Sunday, but amounts will be fairly light, maybe a quick 1 to 2 inches. So not expecting an impact to travel by any means. Maybe a little dusting up at Diamond Lake on the tail end of this thing. Here's Stormcast, so kind of see how things pan out for us as we go through the weekend. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Again, any fog in the morning will lift through the morning in the Rogue Valley and our other west side valleys. As we head on into Sunday, clouds increase, eventually some rain pushing in to Curry County, and this holds together pretty good. We'll likely get some rain for a time in Grants Pass and Medford. There's the snow up along the Cascades, but this thing falls apart as it tries to work further east and south. So a few spotty showers on the east side and into Siskiyou County, but it's not going to add up to much for folks that do see measurable rain. And then Monday is going to be a pretty quiet day to start next week. Stormcast, when it comes to rainfall, most totals for measurable rain will be less than 1/10 of an inch. Best chance at maybe 1/4 of an inch or so as you head towards Curry County. And then we're keeping an eye on the middle of next week ahead of Thanksgiving. Looks like most of the focus will be to the north for precipitation Tuesday and Wednesday, but we'll have to watch Thursday into Friday, maybe some better chances of at least some precipitation moving in, especially on Friday. Here's a closer look at that Thanksgiving forecast. It will be fairly mild. All in all, not expecting much of a travel impact. Snow levels will still be rather high. So all in all, we're looking pretty good for travel up through and on Thanksgiving, but on Friday we'll have to watch as a more potent storm system comes in and we get some snow levels to drop. Sunny tomorrow for the coast, rain on Sunday, northern California. The chance for some showers on Sunday, but it's not going to add up to much of anything for most of Siskiyou County for folks that do see some showers. Also a chance for some showers on Sunday for the basin. Winds will be breezy. Up in the mountains, we'll look for some rain and snow on Sunday, a break on Monday, and then just some slight chances for some shower activity Tuesday and Wednesday. Snow levels will be climbing up to Thanksgiving, and then we'll have to watch Black Friday as snow levels look to come back down, maybe a bit more widespread precipitation, including for the Rogue Valley. But for the weekend, some morning fog tomorrow in the valley, sunshine in the afternoon, and then showers looking likely on your Sunday.